you want quick and easy installation screen protector, this video is for you because I have two boxes right here. This one is for Samsung and this is for iPhone screen protector. This company reached out to me and sent me two different kinds of screen protector because I have iPhone 13 and I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This would be quick and easy installation in seconds. Can you believe that? In seconds? Because I put a screen protector for my daughter's cell phone and it was kind of hard for me because you have to straighten it and it's just hard to put the screen protector. So this is her iPhone 13. The screen protector is already cracked because this is the cheap one. I have my cell phone right here and this is the Samsung. So there's still a screen protector in that, but I'm gonna take them off because I'm going to put the screen protector of the cell phones. It's dust free. This is what it looks like, the box. And this is for the iPhone. It's high quality and affordable. You can find this at Amazon.com. I will put the link in the description box below. And also, I do have a coupon code for you, so you better check that out. What about you guys? Are you having trouble putting screen protector for your cell phones? Because I do. So it's a dust proof and bubble free. And also, we'll see guys what it looks like. Of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. I really like the packaging. I'm going to show you how to put this on. So I have two phones right here. This one is the iPhone and this one is for the Samsung. This one is for the iPhone. If you have a phone, you can check what kind of phone you have. So if they have it, then you know that's good. So I'm going to do this one first. Of course, I'll take this one out. See, it's already cracked. That, oh my gosh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Put that aside, and there's this envelope, kind of envelope right here. It says SmartDevil, we offer better protection. Envelope bag with accessories. And so yeah, scan QR code. Let's open this. So SmartDevil film installation toolkit, there's 3 of them, so in case that it crack or something, then you have 2 extras. So let's put that aside, and then this other one. Ooh, oh, look at that. There's one and 2, and the other one is here. Here's the instruction there on how to put the screen protector. So first, there's the steps right there. Here it is. This is the one. Put the cell phone over here, the number 1, number 2, and place phone down, screen facing downwards to press down the and then pull the tab. So yep, I'm going to clean the phone first. There's a number right here, 1, 2, 3, and let's open this. I adjust the lighting because it's too bright. Okay, what's in here? This is the cleaning wipes, the dusting stickers, that's number 3, and this is the cloth. And let's do this one first. Dust. So we got that one done, and now here's the fun part. Let's put this one over here facing, the screen facing down. And let's time it. Okay, I have a phone right here. I have to time for how many seconds. So I'm gonna put it right there and let's begin. Okay, it's there. And then all you do is just push that. See the bubble? Push it smooth. See how easy that is? That's pretty cool. Let's scratch it. There's no scratch. There. That's the first one. And then now we'll do the second. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's open this. I do have the screen protector, so I'm gonna take that out. Oh, look at this. This is a different one. One more in there. This is the envelope, and the same thing. There's envelope, bag, screen protector. If you want to email them, you can email them for the support. So let's open that. And they sent 3 of this screen protector also. 1, 2, and then the other one is in here. And put that aside. The same instruction, the same installation. So yeah, and here is the kit. So this is a different one. Instruction: cover your phone, pull this to exhaust and wait 10 seconds. And then there's another toolkit and that. And let's do this. It's very quick and easy. We'll do the same process for this Samsung. And wipe it. Okay, that's pretty good. And the wipes. And the sticker. So we'll do this facing, this one is the top, and we'll put this there. And then, okay, there you go. So all we do is pull this. I'll just do it over here. Whoops. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, wait for 10 seconds. See that? That's pretty cool. There's bubbles right there, but you can fix that. So that's it. And pull the top. Ooh, gorgeous. And this, and put this over there. Yeah. And we'll try this one too. Okay, I still have that bubble, but okay, turn this on and look at that. Yeah, there you go. There, pretty cool. So that's it. I like it. So that was it, guys. Look at this one. Here's the iPhone 13 and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The screen protector is just quick and easy and no hassle. You don't have to straighten them because it's already in this and the other one. This is your guide, and here's the guide. So that's it, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and thank you SmartDevil for sending this screen protector for this cell phone. By the way, before I forget, like I said, I do have a coupon code if you're interested. I'll put the link and the code in the description box below, so you better take advantage of that code. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.